Hello guys, welcome to Lola Loops and Stitches. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join a new color to a project. I'm going to show you different situations in when you have to either change color or simply join a new yarn. Here I have a swatch I'm crocheting and I want to join new color to start a new row. In this case, I'm going to need to join the color at the end of the row. So to change color at the end of the row, I'm going to work as far as the last stitch in the row with the old color. And this is the last stitch. What I'm going to do, I'm not going to complete this stitch. I'm going to leave the two loops, the last two loops on the hook. Okay, I'm going to drop the color, the old color, and I'm going to join the new one by holding it like you hold your yarn typically, and then you're going to yarn over and you're going to pull the yarn through the two loops, the last two loops. And this is how you join. You pull the old color yarn to pinch a little bit and also the old one, and then you turn and you continue working your work as instructed. Let's say if it's one stitch, it's single crochet stitch, I'm going to make single crochet stitches in this case. And this is how you join color to start a new row. Okay. Now let's say I want to change the color in the middle of my work. To change color mid-row, I'm going to work as far as the last stitch I need to start the new color, and using the old color I'm going to work the last stitch as normal, but I stop before the final. So in this case I'm going to, let's say this is the last stitch, and I'm going to insert my hook, yarn over, leave the two loops on my hook like I did at the end. Remember to start a new row, hold the yarn as you typically do, and you can yarn over and draw the yarn through the two loops. The old one you can either carry on the yarn by pinching it, or you can just leave it drop on the back. So you do this. Let's say I pinch up here and then I continue my work. I'm going to show you now. See? And this is how it looks, you see? Okay, so what about if I have a blanket that I already completed or a garment, but I want to add a new color, I want to add a new border? How I'm going to do this? To do that, I'm going to make a slip knot. I'm going to show you two ways. Some people do the slip knot, and then you can go to the area of the border that you want to start, the stitch that you want to start. So let's say this is my first stitch. I want to start my border. I'm going to insert my hook and I'm going to join the color with a slip stitch. Okay. And then I continue creating my stitches as I go. Now, if you don't want to create and you don't want this knot, this is another way I do. I hold my yarn as I typically do. I pinch the yarn here, right? Insert my hook in the stitch and pull the yarn. Chain one and start crocheting my stitches. I pull here with this yarn here, and what I do is I pinch the yarn. That way I hide the tail, you see? So you don't necessarily need to do the knot. So instead of the knot, you just go ahead and slide the thread through the yarn. Very easy. Guys, okay. I hope you learned something new. Leave questions in the comments or simply tell me from where are you watching this tutorial. I'm here in New Jersey, sometimes in New York. Like, share, subscribe. Happy craft. See you next time.
Hey, check out my other videos where I'm showing necessary skills needed to grow faster in the crochet world. You can find Lola Loops and Stitches on Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.